Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, showing you today this fabulous and brand new Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras, making it even more desirable. Finished here in this lovely Oyster silver metallic paint, it features IQ-Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with illuminated front grille, whilst around the side optionally upgraded 21-inch Leeds black diamond turned alloy wheels will contrast the paintwork beautifully. In the rear there are also LED dynamic taillights with illuminated logo and light bar, and for easy access a power operated liftgate with keyless entry install will make life incredibly easy, offering an absolutely cavernous load area before the rear seats are folded down, and this model even features a power folding tow bar with trailer assist. Passengers in the rear will enjoy this full leather upholstery with seating for 3 and armrests, as well as 2-zone climate control, all underneath the guise of the natural light of the sunroof. In the front there are decorative door and dash inserts available with upgraded front seats that offer electric memory functionality with electric lumbar support. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifts operating the full digital cockpit up ahead. There's roadside recognition camera on offer, active safety systems, and even sat-nav projection directly ahead of you, which is great for convenience when travelling on unfamiliar roads. All your music and Bluetooth is also available at your fingertips, but the real treat here is this 15-inch Innovision cockpit. It offers twin menu functions that's really easy to navigate, as well as easy to pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB radio, as well as various other vehicle system settings. Other great features will incorporate FM and DAB radio to find your favorite stations, and even sat-nav that can be displayed on both screens at the same time. For added connectivity, there's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both with wireless connections, and a fully adjustable speaker sound system for the music fans, whilst an area view parking camera will offer visibility all around. Selectable drive modes are on offer thanks to the 4MOTION all-wheel drive system, and easy-to-use 2-zone climate control for the front with a heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, and down below there is a wireless induction charger, whilst overhead you'll find easy controls for the electric sunshade blind and the panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.